Well, behind me is a golf cart that belongs to my oldest brother, and he has, when I tell you that he has zero time, so I've been waiting for the special opportunity to get this old golf cart going for him because he used to absolutely love this thing. He rode it everywhere. When I decided that I wanted to take on this project for my brother, I reached out to my friends over at Vatrer. This is a Mini 51.2 volt, 105 amp golf cart battery. Now the batteries coming off of that cart, you know, they're a little less than 100 pounds a piece. This one battery weighs 90 pounds. So we took off about 600 pounds of batteries to replace it with one energy source that weighs around 90 pounds.